What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You know I like candles. I want to show you a new one. All right, so I have a candle here. I just ordered it from this company called RusticRays. They are on Etsy. The owner, proprietor, candle maker, Rachel, makes some wonderful candles. And this holiday season, who wouldn't want pumpkin sugar? Now, this is a new scent that she puts out. Beautiful candles right there, the logo on top. Nice little tin. Oh my gosh. Smells like pumpkin pie. Delicious. And this hand-poured soy-based candle is 8 fluid ounces. Now, this is just like the candles that I have picked up from her before, and I really love them. Actually, Coffee Bean sits in my office because I love the smell of coffee, and my lighter is having a little trouble lighting. Not the candle's fault. All right, so now I've got this candle with pumpkin spice wafting away. However, Rachel is not one to rest on her laurels. In fact, that 8-ounce candle is great, but it's kind of small. And so she has come up with this, a much bigger candle. This is Cranberry Woods. And as you can see right there, net weight 13 ounces. So take a look at this, right? This is your 8-ounce to your 13-ounce right there. Quite a bit of difference. You even have this little like friendship bracelet right around there. And if I open this up, ooh, that smells like cranberry. But she didn't stop there with the large candle. They all come wrapped like this. Another one, nice little ribbon on it. Frosted juniper. Oh my gosh. That smells like Christmas tree right there. That smells like heavenly evergreen tree, which is awesome. And then, of course, I picked up another one because I love them. And this one is peppermint mocha. Again, 13 ounces. Oh, that smells like a peppermint cookie. Peppermint coffee. Look at that. They all have, I'm gonna drop them, little ribbons around it. How cool is that looking? So listen, I will tell you right off the bat, Frosted Juniper might be my favorite out of these just because it totally gets me in the spirit of Christmas and the holidays. So if you want a candle that's going to have a longer burn time, I don't know if she advertises on here what the burn time is, but I can tell you they're going to have a pretty long burn time. I mean, because these burn for like 40 plus hours. So this one will probably burn even longer. But if you want to pick this up, check out RusticRays. She's on Etsy. That's where I picked it up, and I absolutely love them. Hope she comes out with more scents, because I'm going to be picking them up every time. Hey, if you want to pick these up, link in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.